save you from failing the real estate exam. Most students don't fail because the exam is too hard. They fail because they study both parts in the same way. And that's a mistake. Here are actually two exams, the national part and the state part. And if you don't understand the difference, you can pass one part and you fail the other. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly the way that each part will test you and how they are completely different. And the exact strategy to pass both the national and the state. So if you are serious about passing, subscribe to my channel because this channel is built to get you licensed. The real estate exam is split into two parts. There's the national and the state, and you must pass both. The test completely tests your thinking in different ways. The national test on one side your understanding, the state tests your memorization. Quick question for you. Which one do you think is harder right now? The national or the state? Comment below, I'll read every single comment. The national portion tests universal real estate concept. This is your foundation. Section 1, ownership, joint tenancy, tenancy in common, or life estates. If two people own a property with the right of survivorship and one person dies, then it's A, the heirs inherit, B, the state takes ownership, C, surviving owner gets it, or D, it goes through probate. Pause for 5 seconds. The correct answer is C, that's joint tenancy. Section 2, Pete. We got police power, we got eminent domain, we got taxation, and escheat. The government takes land for build a highway. That's A, police power, B, eminent domain, C, escheat, or D, taxation. Pause again. Correct answer, eminent domain. Valuation. Sales comparison approach, the cost approach, the income approach. So, what's used for a single family home? A, the cost, B, the income, C, the sales comparison, or D, the gross rent multiplier. Pause again. The sales comparison approach. Next section, finance. LTV, loan to value, interest, amortization. $450,000 loan, a $500,000 property, and the LTV is, pause again, 9%. Next part, contracts. So this is one of the most tested sections. We got an offer, we got acceptance, we need consideration, capacity, and legal purposes. So if you're weak in contracts, you will definitely struggle on the national exam part. The state exam. The state portion is where most students get surprised, because it's not about the understanding, but more about remembering. How many days to deposit escrow? When must agency disclose? How long must records be kept? And who regulates you? My question for you, when must agency disclosure be provided? A, at closing, B, at the first contact, C, after the contract, or D, when requested? Pause. The answer is, it depends on your state. That's why most students don't study the national and state in the same way. So here's your exact strategy. Step 1, master the national concepts first. Step 2, then layer state laws on the top of it. Take practice exams separately. Step 4, take your weak area. And critical here, most students overstudy the national and they underestimate the state. However, you will not. So let's test you. The right of survivorship, joint tenancy, government taking property, eminent domain, best appraisal for a house, the sales comparison, national versus state different, concepts versus memorization. The real estate exam is not confusing, and once you understand the structure, you will do well. The national builds your foundation, the state qualifies you for practice. Master both, and you walk in confident. Comment below which part are you struggling with, and if you want my full exam prep package, drop exam in the comments and I'll send you the study material. My name is Ben, I'm a real estate broker and instructor, and I'll see you in the next class. Aloha.